Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials in Hand. This is the very first video lecture of our Programming in Python series. In this video, from the thumbnail itself, you might have identified that we are going to learn how to print Hello World in Python. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So in order to write the program and run it, I am going to use VS Code. You can choose any IDE of your personal choice. Now let's get back to VS Code. So first of all, let's create a file by just clicking onto this icon. And one thing over here that is needed to be noted is that in Python, whatever file name that we are writing, it should have an extension of .py. It's just the same as in suppose if we were creating a C++ file, then we used to write .cpp. For Java, it was .java. For C, it was .c. So similarly in Python, if we want to make any Python file, then it is a must that the extension should be .py. So let's write the file name. Let's call it hello world .py. Let's give it that name .py and simply click enter. So this file has been created now. So in order to simply write or in order to print the things up, we have a very simple method in Python, that is print. So with the help of just the print method, we can print whatever we want. So if we want to basically print hello world, then we will write print, and within the double quotes we will write whatever things we want to get we want that to be printed. So over here we want to print hello world, so in that double quotes we will simply write hello world and just click enter or run. We will just run it, and over here you can see that hello world gets printed. So this is how we print anything. We simply need to write print, and within the double quotes whatever thing we will give that will get printed. Now if you have any knowledge of the other programming languages like C, Java, C++ or anything, then one thing you might have noticed that over here the addition of semicolon is not a compulsion, whereas in those programming languages like C++, Java or C, adding a semicolon in order to terminate the line was mandatory. But this is the beauty of Python, that not much an emphasis is emphasized on those things. We simply have to write print, and in double quotes whatever we give that will get printed. So this was something about the video. I hope you understood the concept. Now in the upcoming videos we will come up with quite new topics and quite gooder programs. So that's all about this video. Thank you.